Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While modeling, I will start with this base plate. Then I will model this vertical plate. After that, I will model this solid cylinder. Then I will create a rib here. Then I will model this portion. After modeling this, we have only the material removal feature of 4 holes, then one more hole and one more cut here. Finally, the component is finished with the round. Now we will learn how to model this component using Creo Parametric. Just open the Creo Parametric, new, solid part, untick this use default template, save OK. Part solid absolute, save OK. I'm switching on all the planes. For easy drawing, I will keep the drawing left side. This is too easy to draw the component quickly. Now we'll model the component from the base plate. Select this front plane, sketch view. First make the axis by using a center line. Then take the rectangle. I just made a symmetric rectangle. The length of this plate is 126 and thickness is 13. 126 and thickness is 13. Go to fit screen. Now just say OK. Extrude. Make into symmetric. The extrusion length is 78. 78. Press enter and press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this plate. Then we'll create this plate in this surface. Select the surface, sketch view, reference. I'm taking these edges as a reference. Then close, rectangle. Simply put the rectangle. Only height has to be specified. From bottom to top, the height is 90. Dimension from here to bottom, the height is 90. Remaining are fixed. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. Now we need to extrude this object with the thickness inside it. The thickness is same 13. Save OK. Now we have created this L-shaped model. Now we'll add this bigger cylinder. Select the surface, sketch view. Take a circle, put a circle here. The circle center is 38 mm from the bottom surface. So take the dimension from here to here. The distance is 38. It is located center and the diameter is, here they have specified as R25. Dimension, the radius they have specified as 25. Then the extrusion length is 38. Just say OK. Extrude. This extrusion length is 38. Here they have specified. Say OK. Then we'll create this feature. For that, select this surface, sketch view. Take a reference of top edge and circular edge. Then close. Only one dimension can be specified, that is 10 plus 10 plus 18. Just say OK. Then extrude. extrusion length is 25. Save OK. Then we'll create this rib. For creating this rib, select this midplane, sketch view. Take a reference of this cylinder as well as this cylinder and this edge. Then close it. Take a line from here to here, and we can put a line here also. Now say OK. Rib, profile rib, change the direction. Rib is not forming. Then cancel it. Yes. Sketch, edit sketch, take a line, just connect this line with here. Now just say OK. Rib, profile rib. Here we cannot make a rib, so delete sketch, edit, sketch view, take a line, say OK, extrude, make it symmetric, the thickness is 15, say OK. Here you can see it is not properly connected. To make proper connection, edit, sketch view, just extend this object into a little more, line, delete segments. Here also you just connect it. Save OK. Here it is coming like this. To avoid this, sketch, edit sketch, line, just connect it like this, delete segments, delete these two, just save OK. Now this is the way it is modeled. Now we'll create these 4 holes. Select the surface, sketch and sketch view, close, circle somewhere here. The 4 holes is located, dimension from here to here it is 25, from left side edge to here is 19, the diameter of the hole is 18. Now just say OK, extrude, change the direction to next, say OK, extrude 6, mirror, select this mirror plane, say OK. Similarly select the surface, sketch view, dimension from top to the center point is located 25, and from left to right the dimension is 19. The whole diameter is 18. Now same thing we can mirror it here also. Choose the mirror, select this axis, say OK, extrude, change the direction to next, say OK. Now we have created these 4 holes. Finally we will create a hole here. Take a hole, place it here, press the Ctrl and hold, select this axis. The hole diameter is 32 and to next, save OK. Then we'll create a cut here. Select the surface, sketch view, reference here and here, then close it, rectangle, take a circle, This diameter is 18. Then take a line, close the sketch, take a delete segments, say OK, extrude, change the direction, do next, say OK. Finally, we'll make a round here, the round with a radius of 25, only in these two edges. Take a round, select this edge, the radius is 25, press the Ctrl and hold, select this edge also, say OK. Now the complete object is done. In this tutorial, we have learned how to model this component. Now we'll see how to color it. Go to View, Appearance, White. Press the Shift and select the surface wherever you want to apply. Press the Ctrl and select wherever you want to apply white color. The same color we can apply to full body also. Color. Now we can apply some other colors the outside. In this tutorial, we have learned how to create this model using Creo Parametric as well as how to change the appearance also. In next tutorial, we'll learn a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.